Hello people, you join me here, Healey Dell Nature Reserve, Rochdale. Gonna take a quick dip in the River Spodden. Feeling a bit brave today. Got my swimming shorts on. Let's go. Just find a good place to put this phone. Right, got the verdict in, it's freezing. Oh, well, that was freezing cold. I mean, I feel alive and all that, but